Welcome to the Tiny Toons world.
Today's the day, the start is here. So many things to see and hear. Butterflies dance inside my heart. Off to school, let's make a start. Have you packed your books so bright? Yes, they're all inside. Have you tied your laces tight? Ready for the ride? Did you pack a snack to share? Yummy treats I'll bring. Did you grab your favorite bear? He's coming to everything. Will you wave to friends you see? I'll wave both high and low. Will you join the games with glee? Wherever fun may go. Will you learn new songs and rhymes? I'll sing them loud and clear. Will you shine with all your might? I'm ready, have no fear. Are you smiling ear to ear? My grin is oh so wide. Are your jitters disappear? With friends here by my side. Is your backpack hanging neat? It's snug up on the hook. Did you give a final cheer? I'm ready, was my look. I'm ready, was my look.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.